People of Biafra, I just want to update you. For 2 hours now, we have come and are falling. They have come and are falling, and they will keep falling because the land of Biafra will swallow all of them. We fear nobody. We go nowhere. So, Chineke God. Amuatata. Come and believe you me, they are falling. They are falling. So far, now it's more than 50. Yes, we go nowhere. I've been telling them, military can never solve this problem. They thought we are joking. You came to fight to this. You came here to fight spirit. You cannot kill us. It can never happen. It can never happen. So, let's watch out the outcome. They came with 2 healers before. Almost half of the 1.5 healers have gone. They went back and then came with trailer full of army and 3 healers. Man, 3 and more time. We are here with them. Some of them who get so those of them who ran inside bush when they get casualty, and we want to capture those one alive. We want to capture them alive. So then call reinforcement, and the enforcement came. They came, and those are they cannot kill even a bird in this forest. So I will keep you posted. Chineke God. Oh, Chukwuki Kabiama. I wish these people know what is coming for them. I wish somebody will explain to them that this is the land of our ancestors. That we go nowhere. In this place, they will perish. They will perish, finish. In this very place, it is their end. Then go nowhere. So, they have come and they have fallen. They have come and they have fallen. Nothing will save them. The land of Biafra will swallow all of them. Yes. This is the land of our ancestors. The portion Chukwuka might give to our ancestors. And this land, they have handed over to our great-grandfather. They hand over to our father. They hand over to us. And I'm here to assure you that this very land of Biafra, this very breath of Biafra, this very branch of Biafra will hand over this land to our children in a very good shape, where there will be no presence of Fulani, where there will be no presence of Hausa, where there will be no presence of Britain in it. Mark my word, we go nowhere. So, we go nowhere. We are here to restore the land of Biafra. And the land of Biafra must be restored. So if you think you are capable to stop us, then come and die. The land is waiting to swallow you. Yes. Chukwuki Kabiama, Ikele Digigi. Ikele Digigi. May your name be praised. May your name be praised forever and ever. That after this generation, the world will be healing and asking for us. Because when we have gone, there will be no one like us. We have come to redeem humanity. And it is you that is our strength. In this war, we will fight till the end. You can hear the sound of the gun. You can hear the sound of the gun. We are equal to the task. They are the one falling. more than 50 are already fall. So what they are doing now, they have come to rescue some of them who secure casualty, who has casualty and run inside bushes, because they know as they enter bushes, they are already dead already. So we want to capture those one alive. So their reinforcement and call is trying to see if they can rescue some of them who secure casualty. So we are facing them, and definitely they will never escape because we own bush. We own bush. This is our home. We own bush. Do you understand what I'm saying? The owner of the land know themselves. Yes, this is our territory. This is our territory. We go nowhere. Here they will die. This is where they will die. Yes. This is where they will die. For now, permit me to sign out for now, to come back later and update you. But for now, we are on normal business. Kickoff is on our side, and the victory is very sure. From me, from the battlefield right now, it is.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.